Hello guys, good afternoon. Nandito tayo sa Unimax ng Lucena. So nag-backflash kami ng transmission. Nasira yung release bearing. Yan unit. Sira yung release bearing at saka yung pressure plate. Kaya nasira yung release bearing kasi disalign na yung niya, yung finger ng pressure plate, kaya nasira yung release bearing. So tinanggal natin. So ayan guys, nakababa na yung transmission. Ayan. Yan yung pressure at saka lining. Yung release bearing niya sira. So hapon naman, so bukas na yan titiwasin, kakabit na lang yan. Tsaka meron naman tayong dalang parts, pressure plate at saka release bearing. So yan, yan lang yung trabaho natin for today's video. So Jackman dump truck. So yan guys, maulan na hapon, so balik na lang natin yan bukas. Okay. So ayan mga katols, na ikapitan natin yung lining, pressure at saka yung release bearing. So salpak na lang yung kulang niya mga katols nitong transmission. Ayan, okay na, bago na yung line.